Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a Grow collaborative haul. So if you are any bit interested in seeing what I have in this box right here, please keep on watching. And if you are new to the channel and you're just stopping by, please consider subscribing as well as hitting that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time that I upload. And also thumbs up this video, share this video, and watch this video to the end. Also, to my family and friends that have already subscribed, you know I appreciate your continued support. And with that being said, let's get into this box. All right, now, before we get into this box, you all, if you have been with me for some time, you know that I like to clean my home, especially my kitchen and my floors, with Method wood clean. I love it. So that's why I had to order online, and plus I received a code to receive a starter kit. So a lot of my items are free. You know, a girl likes free. All right, guys, my first item is this Method heavy duty degreaser in the scent lemongrass citronella. I absolutely love Method's degreaser. I like to periodically, probably like once a month, or depending on how much I fry foods or what have you, I like to use this on my cabinet fronts as well as up on my cabinet tops and underneath your cabinets. They can get a little greasy, as well as over my stove top on my microwave and on my stove. So this is an awesome buy, and I absolutely love the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. I cannot live without this right here. This smells amazing. And I do believe, no, I only got one. I thought I had ordered two, but I have one. And then I also picked up my Method bathroom cleaner. I love this as well. And this is in the eucalyptus mint. And I absolutely do like the smell of this as well. All right. So we're going to get into my free items. And my free items was this microfiber cleaning cloth, and it is a 2-pack. No, it's actually a 3-pack. So I do have a gray, a navy, and a cream. And I love their cloths to do my mirrors, my glass, even my cabinets. They are amazing. And also I received my 2 count of my walnut cellular scrubber sponges. I love these sponges as well. Everything is just natural and organic, and it's a great buy. And it actually came with this free limited edition caddy in the gold. And this is the Twilight Wonder edition. And yes, I use my bucket. So I put my solutions in, and I go around my house and I get my cleaning done. And my next item I received Drewberry Moore multi-purpose cleaner in the scent Island Orchard. And also I received Grove glass cleaner in the scent Orange and Rosemary. And I absolutely love these items because all you do, and this is a 2-pack, all you do is take this bottle as well as your glass bottles, and I love my glass bottles. And then they have a new feature on the bottle. So you have your glass bottles, and you see here how it says shower. Well, you can twist. Wait a minute. Well, I thought you were able to twist. So you actually just pull it off. And see right here where it has shower, glass, floor, multi, or tub and towel. So this one, I believe, is for my actual glass. And all you do is you fill this up with water, pour in your solution, pour this in, smells nice and fresh, and there you have it. You have our bottle of glass cleaner, and yes, this is the glass cleaner. So then we're going to put our label on the glass cleaner side. And we have our bottle of glass cleaner. Just that simple and fast. And I want to show you their old bottles just in case you are not familiar with their old bottles. It still has the rubber sleeve, and it normally just have the Grove Collaborative on it. And their solutions, I don't know if they have changed, but it used to come in tubes like this. And this is my tub and towel cleaner, and it comes with the matching bottle. And you just do the same. You squirt your solution in, and then you fill the remainder up with the water. Well, guys, I have take a peek inside my Grove Collaborative haul. So, as I said before, if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you have not yet thumbs up this video, please do so. I have a couple of videos that I have to get out to you. So make sure you have that notification bell turned on. And please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.